Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a supersized strawberry Remy Mimosa today. Check it out. Come on in the kitchen with me. 4 ingredients, that's all we need to make this. Champagne of your choice, we need orange juice, strawberry puree, and Remy. If you want to use a Hennessy or another cognac, even a vodka or rum, you can. So any kind of champagne, and you can get any kind of orange juice. Just make sure that orange juice is a little bit on the sweet side. Y'all know what I always say, nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. Now, what I want you to keep in mind is you're going to put double the amount of champagne as orange juice. So that's a regular mimosa, champagne and orange juice. All right. So if you put 2 cups of champagne, you put 1 cup of orange juice. All right. Got it? So easy. A kid could do it. Trust me. This is wonderful. Y'all see the cup I have right there? Supersized, baby. It's bigger than the champagne bottle. It's taller and bigger than a fifth of Remy. Check that out. Yes, darling. Mimosas and brunch will never be the same again. I was pouring so quick I forgot. If you don't want it to fizz up right there, tilt that glass, like turn it to the side a little bit. Pour your champagne. You won't get as much bubbly at the top. You won't get as much as that foam. You won't get that. All right, so a lot less. You can make your drink a heck of a lot quicker without that foam being up there. All right, here we go. Give the orange juice a really good shake. And we less than about 2 minutes away from a great mimosa, baby. Because anything with an extra shot of anything in it is wonderful. So here we go. Strawberry puree, you will eyeball it. So you're going to think how much strawberry. Because if you really, you know, you like your mimosa just like closer to a regular flavor, but you want a little bit of strawberry flavor, and then that's what you do. You put a little bit. So you put like maybe a tablespoon, I say. A tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. You know, if you want it kind of, you want the color really pretty, the color really reddish, then you're going to put about a 1/4 cup or about a little more than a 1/4 cup perhaps, okay? And the Remy is easy. You're just going to put a shot of Remy in there. Whatever your idea of a shot is, that's what's going in there. So if it's a jigger, if it's a double shot glass, whatever your idea of it is, baby, then that's what it is. And that's what's going to happen. So it depends on how mellow you want to feel, you know, after breakfast or brunch with this. Ooh, now look at that. Our mimosa is done. Oh, and I forgot to mention, make sure you chill everything before you start assembling your drink. All right? And there you have it, baby. A supersized mimosa. Not for no lightweight and not for the faint at heart, baby. This for them heavyweights. Boom, boom. Knockout, baby, because that cognac gonna knock you out. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Go make this. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.